Have you ever wondered how do we hear sounds like music, human voice, etc.? And how does this sound travel inside the ear and reach the brain? At first, let me clear what is sound. Sound is a form of energy produced by vibrations. These vibrations travel through ear as a sound wave. Here, auricle act like a funnel guiding sound wave into the ear canal. The outer ear collects sound wave from the source. When sound wave strikes the eardrum, it begins to vibrate. Loud sound cause strong vibrations, while sub-sounds cause weak ones. The vibrations pass to 3 tiny bones called ossicles. These bones amplify the vibrations and pass them forward. Vibration from ossicles enter the cochlea, a spiral-shaped organ filled with fluid. The movement of fluid bend microscopic hair cells. These hair cells convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. This process is called transduction. The electrical signals travel through the auditory nerve to the brain. The brain receives these electrical signals, identifies the sound, understands the pitch and loudness, recognizes pitch, music, noise, etc. This is when we actually hear, so hearing is not done by the ear alone. The brain plays the final role. This is the complete mechanism of hearing. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, subscribe to Learn with Shankaroli, and comment. Hearing is amazing.